Hello everyone, in this video it is in continuation with the chapter The Cell Fundamental Unit of Life. I'll be taking up the difference between plant cell and the animal cell. In previous video we have discussed the structure of animal cell in detail and all the organelles present and their function. In this video I will be talking more about plant cell and we will be simultaneously doing the differences between animal and plant cell. The first important thing about plant cell is that it has a cell wall present outside it. This cell wall, it performs some functions. One is it gives rigidity to the plant cell. Second is that it is freely permeable. It allows all the substances to pass through it. Third is it is made up of cellulose. It is made up of cellulose. These are the three important characteristics of plant cell wall. One, it is freely permeable. Second, it is made up of cellulose. And third, it gives rigidity to the cell. Whereas in animal cell wall is not present. The next part which is present in the plant cells is the plastids, which are also not present in the animal cell. These plastids, first of all, what are plastids? The colored organelles which are present in the cells, plant cells, are known as plastids. They are of three types: chloroplast, chromoplast and leucoplast. Chloroplast are the ones which have a green pigment known as chlorophyll present in them. Chromoplast are the ones which give red and yellow color to the flowers and fruits, whereas leucoplast is colorless, so it is present in the roots, but its main function of leucoplast is to store the starch. The function of leucoplast is it's colorless, it's present in roots and potatoes, etc., and it stores starch. Now, I just want to tell you one thing. Chloroplast is a very important organelle. As the process of photosynthesis, it occurs in chloroplast. It contains a green pigment known as chlorophyll, which gives green color to the plant and also traps the sunlight for the process of photosynthesis. Chromoplast, it gives red and yellow color to flowers and fruits. The pigments which are present, the pigment which gives red color is known as carotene, and the pigment which gives yellow color is known as xanthophyll. Whereas leucoplast, I have already told, they are colorless and they store starch. Then plant cells, now basically there are some structures which are present in animal cell also, not in plant cell. That is the centrosome. We have already done in the previous video. Centrosome is the cell organelle which is only present in animal cell and helps in the process of cell division. Okay, now these were the main differences between animal cell and the plant cell. One very important more difference between animal and plant cell is that the plant cells, they have a very large vacuole. If we see the structure of plant cell, this vacuole will cover almost all this is a vacuole. It will cover almost all the plant cell and plays a very important role to give shape to the cell and also to provide water and mineral, maintain the water balance of the cell. This is the role played by vacuole. Now this vacuole in case of plant cell, it is very large and prominent, whereas in case of animal cell, they are very small and scattered. This was all about the difference between animal cell and plant cells. To revise once again, animal cells have one organelle which plant cells don't have, that is centriole. Plant cells, they have three parts which are not present in animal cell. One, they have the cell wall. Two, they have the plastids. And three, they have a very large prominent vacuole. This was all about the difference between animal cell and the plant cell. Thank you.